Hello there guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you a full-on review of the Online Soccer Manager app. This is a hack that will allow you to have free tokens and coins on Online Soccer Manager. If you like playing this game and you don't want to pay any money for the tokens or the coins, I'm sure that this hack will help you with it. But first things first, I want to check if the actual app works as they said it will. Now, I promise to give you a completely biased review of the Online Soccer Manager app, and then you can see it for yourself. I'll be showing you a screen recording on the side of the actual app so you can see how it works, how I use it, and then if it actually works or not. So the first thing that you need to do when you get the actual app is have the Online Soccer Manager app work in the background while you open the Online Soccer Manager app. So let's open the app, and as you can see, the screen looks like this. You can enable the unlimited coins, unlimited tokens, and unlock all features. And once you enable everything, what you need to do is tap on send. Once you tap on send, you can go back to your original app, and I'm sure that, it works perfectly fine. Now, this mod of the app works perfectly fine, and if you want to get free coins, tokens, and all that you need in Online Soccer Manager, please follow the steps that I will show you right now. I'm very surprised that this hack works, and I'm ready to share it with you and show you all the steps you need to take to get the Online Soccer Manager app. So the first thing that I need you to do if you're using an iOS device is going to Settings, then going to General, Background App Refresh, and make sure you have it switched on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. These are the original settings of the iPhone, actually of all iOS devices. Just make sure you haven't changed them before. Now you can go back to your own settings once you're done getting the actual app. Just make sure you have them on like this for now. And as for the Android users, I need you to switch off your battery saver mode if you had it switched on in the beginning of following the steps. Now the next step that we'll be taking is going to our browser. Of course, you can use any browser that you want to. I'll be using my Safari browser right there. And let's go to this website right here. Now, this website allows us to have the Online Soccer Manager app, and I will search for it like this. So Online Soccer Manager Now you can see the file size right there. You can see how many times the app has been downloaded previously, which is thousands of times. And you can see that it is available for both iOS and Android devices. So let's tap on the actual app where you can see the ratings, which are pretty good. You can also see the reviews on the website. And what I need you to do right now is tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Now this process won't take a lot of your time. Just make sure you complete every step along the way. Now after this, you'll be redirected to the verification process where you need to complete the verification process. Those are just few simple steps that you need to follow. Everything is listed on the screen. Just make sure you complete every step along the way to get Online Soccer Manager on your phone. I'm so happy, guys, that this app is working. You have no idea. So once you're done with all that, just restart your mobile device, and once you're done restarting your mobile device, you'll be able to see the actual app just like I did once I downloaded the app for myself. Now I'm going to go and use this app to the fullest, guys. I hope you're enjoying it too. If you are, just make sure you like my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next tutorial.